Here is a question that institutions have examined for over 2 decades. It has not been definitively resolved. September 11, 2001, 2,977 people killed, 19 hijackers, 15 of them Saudi nationals. The official conclusion from the 9/11 Commission report published in 2004 was clear. The Commission found no evidence that the Saudi government, as an institution or senior Saudi officials, individually funded Al Qaeda. That remains the official position of the United States government. But the file did not close there. For more than 13 years, 28 pages of the Joint Congressional Inquiry into the attacks were classified, withheld from the public, and from victim families. In July 2016, those pages were declassified. According to the release material, while in the United States, some of the hijackers were in contact with and received assistance from individuals who had connections to the Saudi government entities. The extent and nature of those connections remains disputed. The investigation continued in 2007. The FBI launched a follow on inquiry, Operation Encore. It ran for years. In September 2021, a summary of that investigation was declassified. According to NPR, the reports described closer links than previously established between certain Saudi nationals, including one with diplomatic ties and some of the hijackers. Here is the detail that shifted the interpretation. The 2004 Commission had described Omar al Bayoumi, a Saudi national who assisted two hijackers in San Diego, as unlikely to have been involved in extremist activity. According to NPR, the later FBI material includes a witness account suggesting that the initial meeting between Bayoumi and the hijackers was not a chance encounter, but a pre planned, well orchestrated event. According to ProPublica, FBI records indicate investigators assessed Bayoumi as having links to Saudi intelligence. The status and implications of those assessments have been the subject of ongoing scrutiny. According to NPR, another Saudi national with diplomatic status, Fahad al Thawmairi, was also examined of potential connections to individuals who assisted the hijackers. Here is one detail from the telephonic records. According to ProPublica, 2 weeks before hijackers arrived in the United States, records show calls among Bayoumi and Thawmairi and the Islamic Affairs Director in the Saudi Embassy in Washington. Every week, I examine one geopolitical question where the evidence is incomplete, contested, or still unfolding. This is the open file. Saudi Arabia has consistently denied any involvement. Its official position, any allegation of complicity, is categorically false. The 9/11 Commission found no institutional role. Subsequent FBI investigations identified individuals with possible connections to Saudi institutions who had contact with the hijackers. Successive US administrations limited the release of certain investigative materials, citing national security. Families of victims have pursued legal actions in the US courts. As of recent years, that case remains ongoing. The official conclusion stands, but the full picture remains contested. This file is not closed.